How are you kids? So today's video we are going to draw a nature. So first that's like we gonna draw the mountain. Look, that is sunrise, and then we gonna make draw the beach. Okay kids? Such as in the picture, we gonna draw a ship, boat, and here. And next that's a cloud. We make a cloud and coconut tree. Here we draw a coconut tree here. Okay kids? Okay, so that's the coconut, and then we gonna make this grass and the coconut tree such as in the picture. Okay kids, look here, we try to make the leaf of the coconut and try it like this for the coconut tree. And then such as example, we draw two of the coconut trees like this. Okay kids, we use our pencil like this, and then such as example like this. And after that we gonna after this we draw a bird up the mountain that's nearby a cloud, and then we gonna draw again the beach. We gonna make like the line to such a sample, and then we gonna draw a crab here. Okay, it's like this. We're gonna draw a crab. Says like the example, teacher draw a crab here. Here on the sun, this is the beach, and then make a crab here, and then this is the sun. We're gonna make dot for the sun nearby and then make a stone here, and let's make a dot for the sun. Okay, after we finish all, after we done, we color the coconut tree with the green color or whatever you want to color, or maybe you can color it by yellow or some any color. Okay kids, and maybe you can okay, you have to finish the color of the coconut tree. Okay, such like example like this, we can color it by green color. Okay kids, and after we color all finish like this. Okay, we finish the color of the crab, coconuts, and the beach, and the boat and the cloud. After that, next to the next picture, we're gonna color the mountain. Here teacher use a green color for the color of the mountain, and then the sunrise, for the sunrise we gonna put the color of orange. Okay, here we go. And after that, after we color all of this, here we finish off the color and ready for the all this. After we draw, right, and then we color it all. Okay kids, so for the homework is draw a picture of mountain, picture of nature, such as an example. You draw, and then on your paper or drawing book, after that you send to our line group. Okay kids, don't forget to do your homework. Hopefully you are enjoy this video, and see you on next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.